Hello, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, if you're missing for header tag, how you can fixing for your particular each and every website. Header tag mainly, which is your highlighted keyword that is understanding for SEO purpose. H1 tag. This is the very important definition usage. H1 tag is 6R. H1 tag will be usage. HTML heading tag are used to format heading on only for page in order in importance. H1 tag is the one of the comes first and shows search engine what content can be expected on the rest of the pages. To expand a little on what the HTML tag is and means H1 tag. If I'm writing on H1 tag, that mean by SEO can understand, pick the keyword. Okay, this is a matter belongs to for edit tag. This is the main topic they elaborate the particular page. That is a more important from each and every website. If I go to for C laptop world and go to will be product page, laptop, which is the content I'm adding will be here. Click this, Control U, Control F, H1 tag. No, complete for zero H1 tag. Then mean by H2 tag. So our keyword will be complete for H2 tag option. But I am to looking will be this content will be keyword. So which is I'm using will be here. This I'm represent by the H1 tag. So that is a call. I'm open for this particular control panel where I'm adding for this content. Go to files. This page is belongs to for product. So in a product, they can go to your particular where is our design. This can only update by the developers. But how we can update developers? I'm intimate will be here is that the product info. Here is that H12 is there. I'm replacing for H1. Before that, I'll explain here. Look into this. Line will be 233 line is H2. After update, we can call refresh. Here is the updating for H1 tag. So now, after refreshing, Control U, Control F, H1 tag. It is matching for H1 tag option. This is a call heading of the complete page. H1 tag is a mandatory. So I don't know about the C panel. How we can adding for H1 tag? So if you are don't have a C panel, there's a particular admin panel is there. But suppose which page you will be H1 tag is there. Suppose this is the your particular H1 tag. So what will happening here? This total content. First of all, before that, I'll show you. This is the content, which is a page. Go to laptop here. Look the careful. I'm opening a particular page. Which page I'm opening? The page, what is that? Here, Control U, Control F, H1. So right now, how many H1 tags are there? Only two, 1 and 2. See, copy, paste, heading tag. I'm give completely. Here is the option. H1 tag. Remain all will be small options. Okay. Click for save. After that, refresh and refresh. Control F, H1 tag. See, now we can see about that. Total how many H1 tag? Total 6. Why? Because the little bit space is came. So that is called they will be given by the more of H1 tags. Okay. Now your submit. After refresh, Control F, H1 tag. Now how many? Previous 2. Now will be 4. 4 nothing but open and close. Open and close. So we can write it will be H1 tag less than 3. That is a 1. But only focus about the main H1 tag is 1. So if I am not unable to change the C panel, you can change will be admin panel. So I don't know admin panel, but compulsory you can intimate developer to update H1 tag each and every page. So this is the call. you are coming to home page, anything we can publish will be here. Control U, Control F, H1 tag. The compulsory mandatory field to update your H1 tag is the mandatory option. So this is the follow method. Which one is keyword you have to show your H1 tag, update by immediate your particular developers. That only admin can done by the digital marketer. If your website CPAN done by developers. So compulsory, this is a policy we can follow it and update by each and every content on your particular website. If any further question about your header tag, please contact our channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.